right, let's get a look at the markets, and you can see where things are headed here. Up 659 points at the open for the Dow Jones Industrials, which have been flat really since the beginning of the year. But this news of the Iranian foreign minister announcing that the Strait of Hormuz is open, basically the back has been broken of this standoff with Iran. So we're glad to have with us Guy Benson, Fox News political analyst and host of The Guy Benson Show on Fox News Radio, and David Asman, Fox business anchor. Gentlemen, great to have both of you with us. David, let me start with you. Your reaction to what we're hearing and to the open of the market this morning.
Well, the Iranian got kind of topped out because everybody says that's why the markets are doing well. No, the markets did well when gold went below $90. That's when markets began to do well. It wasn't so much that they got a sense of what the Iranians were going to say about this, but it was just they were looking at everything that happened. I mean, we've talked about this, I peeked in right before this hit, and I think that this just shows that Trump won. Trump won, and the Arab nations won. The Arab nations with which we've been united since his first term won as well, because they saw Iran as the main enemy. Iran lost. China lost big time. They were losing money. They didn't want to switch to another supplier because they'd have to pay a lot more. The EU lost because they didn't pitch in to help at all with this. And I think Democrats lost, the one who were just totally over the top, saying there's no way this is going to... The blockade was a brilliant move by Donald Trump. That united the United States with China. It united the United States with the EU that didn't have enough jet fuel, for goodness sakes, because of the block. So it was a great move.
In the end, you may prove to be right with everything you said. However, the war is not over. Just a couple caveats here. The blockade stays, which means Iran could continue to be starved of financial money, any sort of economic lifeline. The regime is still in power. We don't know the fate of the nuclear dust or the fate or the future of its nuclear program.